Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add HTML code to your Canva website using the Embeds tool to add interactive widgets, forms, and videos directly to your design. Let's get into it. First, open the Apps Marketplace. Canva handles HTML through a dedicated app called Embeds rather than a raw code editor. This ensures your site remains stable while still allowing for custom functionality. Open your website project in Canva. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and click on the Apps icon. In the search bar at the top of the Apps panel, type Embeds and select the official blue Embeds icon. Click Open to add it to your side toolbar. Now, you need to grab the destination URL for your form. In 2026, you don't need the complex iframe code. A simple public link works perfectly. Open your form in the JotForm form builder. After publishing your form, under the Quick Share section, find your direct link to your form and click the Copy Link button. Head back to Canva Embed. In the search bar that appears within the Embeds panel, paste your JotForm public link and click Add to Design. Lastly, position and adjust. Because JotForm forms can vary in length, you'll want to ensure the window into your form is sized correctly. Drag the corners of the new embed block to fit your website's layout. If your form is long, click on the pencil icon, Edit on the block, or simply stretch the bottom handle of the frame. This ensures your users can scroll through the entire form without it getting cut off. Click Publish Website. Your visitors will now be able to fill out and submit your JotForm directly on your Canva page, and you'll receive the data instantly in your JotForm dashboard. And that's pretty much it. To add a form in 2026, copy your JotForm public link, paste it into the Canva Embeds app, and resize the block to fit your design. It's the easiest way to add advanced logic and payment collection to a simple Canva site without ever touching a line of code. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.